Namaste students, welcome to our EVS class. In today's class, we are going to learn Block 17 first lesson, Sources of Light. On the screen, you can see a glowworm. It gives us light in the night. You can see a glowworm, okay? And it's light in the night. Let us move on and learn more, right? We already know that light helps us to see. Today we will learn about the different sources of light. The keywords, sources of light. What are sources of light? All the things that give out light are called as sources of light. Okay. Things that give out light are sources of light. Natural, made by nature. Right? So now all of you look at this picture. We have 4 different things here. Can you name what they are? The first one is the torchlight, second one is the candle, third one is the tube light, and fourth one is the bulb, right? So there is a question which is related to it. What is common between them? What is same about all these 4 things, torchlight, candle, tube light and bulb? All of them give us light, okay? They are sources of light. And the next important thing is that all these 4 are made by humans. So these are human-made sources of light, right? So now, let us watch this video.
Things that give us light are called the sources of light. Some of them are natural, like the sun, stars, fireflies, and jellyfish. Some sources of light are human-made. Human-made sources of light have made our life easy. We can light up our room even when there is no sun.
Okay. Name 4 things that give out light. What do we call them? Okay. Any 4 things that give out light, right? Sun, candle, torch and lighter are 4 things that give out light. Okay. Sun, candle, torch, lighter. We call them sources of light as they give us light. How can we group the light sources? Can we put them under groups? All the light sources, can we make them into groups, sort them? Light sources are of 2 types, natural and human-made. Natural sources of light are the sun, stars, fireflies and jellyfish. Natural sources, once again, sun, stars, fireflies and jellyfish. Human-made sources of light are light bulbs, torches, lamps and candles. So here is a flow chart which explains, okay, do draw this drawing in your notebook, which shows the natural sources of light and human-made sources of light. What are they? What will happen if we don't have human-made sources of light? We will not have any light during the night time. And also on the days when the weather is cloudy, we will not be able to do our work easily if there is not enough light. Okay. Now let us open our worksheet and complete it. All of you open to worksheet 17.1, sources of light. Tick the sources of light. So here we have 3 pictures. Here is a bed lamp. Yes. Here is earth and a jellyfish. Sources of light A and C, right? They give out light. Then second question, how are natural sources of light different from human-made sources of light? Write 1 sentence each. Okay, natural sources of light give us light, but human-made sources of light, we can use them even at the night time. They help us to do our work even when natural source of light is not there. So what is that you are going to write here? Human-made sources of light help us to do our work even at the night time, right? All the day long. B. Name 2 human-made sources of light. Torch and tube light. Look at the picture and write how the human made source of light is helping the girl. What else can she use it for? Here, the girl is using the light. Okay, the light is being used to know where are the things in the room. Okay, the girl is able to know where the things are in the room, but she can also use the light to complete her work. She can read and write and do other activities, right? Let's move on and answer the content book questions. Put today's date, practice questions. First question, tick the sources of light. We have moon, sun, clouds here. So you can put a tick to the sun, right? We get sunlight. Put a tick to the B. Second question, write the names of two natural sources of light. Two natural sources of light are sun and the fireflies, right? Third question, is fire a human made or natural source of light? Write what you think in 20 words. Okay, fire is human made as we light it with a lighter or a matchstick. So fire is a human made source of light, but very rarely, sometimes, if there is a forest fire, okay, the fire will be natural also sometimes, right? So that's all for now. Do read the lesson twice, underline new words. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.